Honestly, I could drink this up in like 5 seconds.
I will see myself out.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very requested video. Honestly, I've been super duper excited to film this.
Yo.
I can't believe I just said y'all. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button to join my lovely family. I love you all so much. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. Please do click the bell button, because if you don't, YouTube's been playing up, you know, you'll maybe miss out one of my videos, so it would be really nice if you could click the bell button. With all that said, let's get on into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an iced latte, and not only an iced latte but the best and also the easiest one ever. Like, it's so simple, quick and easy. I didn't used to like coffee and I'm hooked now. Like, I love it so much. So if you don't like coffee, try this out. You will probably like it. So just stay tuned if you want to know how to make the best iced latte ever. So the first thing you're going to need is some coffee and a mason jar with just a plastic straw. I use reusable straws just because it's so much better for the environment. So you're just going to want to take 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and put them in your mason jar. You can add more or less depending on how strong you want it. Once you've done that, you're going to want to add either some syrup or, if you want to be healthier, some honey. But I don't really care, so I'm just going to add some honey, and I normally add about a teaspoon, or a dessert spoon I think this might be called, but about that amount.
My cat is really curious.
My cat is a little bit too curious, but once you've added your syrup or honey, you're going to add the boiled water. So I just add a few centimeters to the bottom. Watch out. About that much. Isn't she the cutest little cat? She's pregnant, so she's really fat. So all you're going to do now is mix all of that together. And obviously, if you want your iced coffee to be a bit more sweet, just add some more syrup or honey. So now we're just going to pop this in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes. The reason why I put it in the freezer is just because I want to make it cool down faster.
You don't think of me. She wasn't in the end. But she be slinging things like a simian.
Once your coffee's been in the freezer for about 15 minutes, you just get a little bit of ice in a cup. So after I've added ice about halfway, maybe a little bit less, I will add some oat milk. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it, and also comment something down below. Maybe let me know if you'll try this out, and if you do try this out, please do tag me in it on Twitter or Instagram or whatever. I always love chatting to you guys on there. And yeah, here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much, and I've also got my YouTube play button. It's up there. I've actually got the YouTube letter they sent me in front of it so you can't see it, which is, let me just remove that. Are you ready? You like can't even see it, but you can kind of see it. My YouTube play button, it's there, guys. I'm just forever thankful for you, and you all know that without you, that thing wouldn't be in my room. And you know, like, I'm not a materialistic girl, but
Don't know where I'm going with this, but I really love that thing.
So thank you. Honestly, I love it more than you, and now that I've got it, I can quit YouTube, so bye. This will be the last video you ever see from me. Jokes. I would never do that to you. No, for real. You guys are the best thing. I love you all so much. You make it possible for me to do what I love, and yeah, it's been 7 years. I think it's been a minute, so thank you. I really hope you try this out now. Peace. I love this sound. Isn't this like ASMR?
know you like it.
Okay, I love you all so, so much, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, one more thing. Don't forget to follow my socials. They'll be on the screen and in the description box. Oh, my straw matches my top. Oh, fuck. Honestly, here I am trying to make an aesthetically pleasing video, and that happened.